Happy New Year card. Dear friend, Happy New Year. May the new year fill your life with joy, peace, and may the new year fill your life with joy, peace, and success. I wish you all the best. I wish you all the best for your future. For your future with lots of good wishes. With lots of good wishes. Your loving friend Vashu. Your loving friend Vashu. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.